Hey everyone, today we're looking at the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's latest flagship. Big promises, small refinements. Let's see what actually matters. Quick highlights. The iPhone 17 Pro brings a brighter screen, faster chip, improved camera system, better battery life than last year. The design is familiar but refined. If you care about photos and smooth performance, this is aimed at you. Design and feel in hand, the iPhone 17 Pro feels premium. Flat edges remain, but the frame is slightly thinner. The back glass has a subtle matte finish that hides fingerprints well. Buttons are tactile. The mute switch is gone, replaced by a programmable action button. That button can launch the camera, a shortcut, or a voice recording. It's small but useful. The phone is a touch lighter than its predecessor. It still feels solid. It still screams flagship. The display is a 6.3-inch promotion panel. Peak brightness is higher, which helps outdoors. Colors are accurate. Contrast is deep. The adaptive refresh rate still goes down to save battery and spikes up when you need smooth motion. HDR content pops. Text is razor sharp. For streaming and gaming, this is a great screen. Performance under the hood is Apple's newest A-series chip. It's faster in single-core tasks and noticeably quicker in sustained loads, thanks to better thermal management. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is seamless. Gaming runs at steady frame rates. For content creators who edit on device, rendering times are shorter. This is a performance bump, not a revolution, but it's meaningful. Camera system. The camera setup is where Apple focuses each year. The iPhone 17 Pro features a larger main sensor. Low-light shots have less noise and more detail. The ultra-wide is wider and sharper at the edges. The telephoto gains extra reach and cleaner zoom. Computational photography improvements refine skin tones and dynamic range. Video gets new stabilization modes and richer color profiles for creators. If mobile photography matters to you, this is one of the best cameras on a phone right now. Battery and charging battery life sees a modest improvement. Real-world use easily gets most users through a day and into the evening. Heavy use, gaming, video recording, will still require a top-up. Fast charging is supported, but the speed isn't dramatically different from last year. MagSafe remains useful for accessories and wireless charging, and compatibility is unchanged. Software and features iOS continues to add polish. Widgets, camera features, and privacy tools are all refined. The programmable action button opens up quick workflows. There are subtle AI-backed improvements in text handling and photo organization. Software support will be long. Expect years of updates, durability, and extras. The phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. The glass is tougher, but still not indestructible. There's new thermal shielding to keep performance stable under heavy loads. Storage options include a roomy top tier for creators. Apple keeps ecosystem strengths, AirDrop, continuity, and tight app performance, which matter if you already own Mac or iPad. Who should buy it? Buy the iPhone 17 Pro if you want one of the best camera phones. If you use your phone for intensive tasks or mobile content creation, the speed and battery improvements matter. Also buy it if you value long software support in the Apple ecosystem. Final verdict. The iPhone 17 Pro is a strong, polished flagship. It refines more than it reinvents. The camera and sustained performance are the headline wins. If you upgrade every year, this will feel like a meaningful step. If you upgrade every few years, this will still be a reliable, future-proof choice.